Students often ask me, when do I use watch and when do I use look? Or what's the difference between see and watch or see and look? In this video, I'm going to quickly explain the basic differences between see, look, and watch. We'll start with the verb see. See is an irregular verb. Its past form is saw, and its past participle is seen. See, saw, seen. With see, this means that something comes to our eyes. It doesn't require any special effort to see something. We can see something without trying even. For example, I saw a man in a black hat. I can see out the window. Have you seen my keys? I can't find them. With look, this verb requires some attention. If we look at something, we are using intention, attention, and we are doing this on purpose. The past form of look is looked. Looked. And if we have an object, which we usually do with this verb, then we're going to use the word at. Look at. For example, please look at me when I'm talking to you. Or, I looked at the list and I didn't see my name. I have looked everywhere and I can't find my keys. The third verb, watch, is a lot like look. It requires attention. We do this on purpose. We watch things happen, move, or change. And this is the difference between watch and look. When we watch something, this thing has the ability to move or change or develop. For example, the parents are watching the children to make sure that they are safe. I'm watching a football game. The football game, people in this game are moving, so I can use the verb watch. So those are the basic differences between see, look at, and watch. We can see something without any special attention. We look at something with attention. We also watch something with attention, but when we watch something, it has the ability to move or change or develop. Now let's look at one common thing that people often ask about. Is it, I saw a movie or I watched a movie? So if we are talking about something that is completed, like a completed concert, performance, movie, or television show, we can use the word see, and we often do. We can say, have you seen the Mission Impossible movie? Or I saw a great TV show last night. We also often use the verb watch with television. In general, we can say, I like watching TV. Or my parents don't let me watch a lot of TV. Again, when we are talking about a completed program or a movie on television, we can also use watch. I watched the last episode of American Idol last night. So here, like I said, we can use see for these completed programs or movies, and we can use watch. So it's correct to say both, I saw that on TV or I watched that on TV. Both of them are correct here. So to review, we had see, watch, and look at. See for something that doesn't require any special attention, but we also use see with movies and television shows if they're completed. Look at when we are using attention and looking at something intentionally, and watch for anything that moves, has the ability to change or develop, and this includes television and movies. So thanks for watching. If you would like to see a written copy of this information, go to our website at worldwidespeak.com and click on blogs. And if you go to our website, you will also see that we have one-on-one coaching available. If you are interested in that, click on calendar. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.